A company claims that its brand of paint has a mean drying time of less than 50 minutes. So that's the claim. And because they use the phrasing less than 50, that's going to have to be the alternative hypothesis, where mu is less than 50. So the alternative hypothesis is the claim. The null hypothesis would then be mu is greater than or equal to 50. So the mean drying time is greater than or equal to 50 minutes. A car dealership announces that the mean time for an oil change is at most 20 minutes. So that's the claim. Now the phrasing at most 20 means that 20 is the highest value that it can be. So this corresponds to mu is less than or equal to 20. So it can be less than 20, it can be equal to 20, but it can't be more than 20. So the null hypothesis is the claim. And I'm basically just going to copy down the question. So the alternative hypothesis would be mu is strictly greater than 20. So the mean time for an oil change is greater than 20 minutes.